Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and for many videos I've talked about that if you pick on a color and you hold down the control button and you add a couple of clicks of yellow and a couple of clicks of green, and maybe that's too much, you can add blue back. You can change the color. But how did I produce this color right here? So we'll just take a new rectangle, hold down the control button, get a square. And we're gonna pick this blue, but I'm gonna hold down. And if you don't ever remember this, your fill is your left mouse button, your outline is your right mouse button. So if you go over that blue and you hold down your right mouse button for a second, it's gonna give you these other shades of blue, and you can pick them and make that whatever shade of blue you wanted. We'll do that again. Let's make it a darker blue. So there's many shades inside each one of these, even to a light green that you do not have probably in the color palette because you've changed them. So if you will just hover over for like a second, holding down the left mouse button. Now this, it doesn't really matter because they're basically shades of gray, but you could probably get a little bit lighter shade of gray than here. Let's see what this is color-wise. You know, it'd be hard to say what percentage that is because this is, gives you 10%. So this is 230 and these are 243s. So, but you could still take that and hold down the control button and add some white to it and make it a really light gray where you could barely tell it's even a gray, over the white background. Anyway, so think about that next time you need a special color, like for a piece of wood. If you need a wood color for somebody you're making some for, that doesn't look like wood, but hold down and make it a little darker and go from there. So play around with those. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.